What's up, YouTubers? Johnny DIY here. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to replace the bake element in your oven. Alright, let's get to it. Go ahead and unplug your oven or switch the breaker off. Okay, so your element may have just stopped working. It may have developed just one spot where it gets really hot and glows, or it may have burned apart like this one. Look, it just sparked and burned and smoked up. Alright, so what we're going to do is there's going to be a couple screws in the back where the element goes into the stove. They'll either be in the center or like this to the side. And what we're going to do is just go ahead and unscrew these. There we go. Okay, so now we can pull the element forward. Pull it out. There's going to be a wire attached to each end of the element. Just go ahead and unplug the element from it. Be careful not to let these wires slip back into the oven. There we go. Now we can take the whole old element out. Alright, now we'll go ahead and take our new element. I'll go ahead and put a few links in the description to either a FRIGIDAIRE, a GE, or a WHIRLPOOL type element. Those three will be the top ones to fit all electric ovens. Now we'll take the new one, put it into place. We'll connect each side with the wires again. Make sure it's on good. You may need to bend this connection down so it'll fit through the hole in the back of the oven. There we go. Push it in. Now we'll screw in each side. Alright, now we'll go ahead and plug it back in. Alright, now you can bake whatever you want. And that's it, guys. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel. Check out all my other videos. Thanks for watching Johnny DIY, guys. Keep on doing it yourself. Take care. Chee 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 chee.